paint it pink?
I don't think we should pretend to talk on it. What would you look like?
Dolly Parton, I think.
What?
Dolly Parton.
You would look like Dolly Parton.
Because Dolly Parton had flip phones, like, when she was born.
When she was born.
Can I paint it, like, pink?
Do you know they used to make pink ones?
Oh, why did I miss that?
Do you notice something about this?
What?
No emojis. No.
No!
No, we didn't have.
It's so tiny.
Is it tiny? Because you.
Like, do you have one? Like, I would love to get a pink one.
What would you do with it?
I just love it. I'll like ring.
Do you even know how to use that?
Nope.
Or-
Wait, how do you use this thing?
Huh?
How do you use this in the
And look, that's a little tiny camera there. You'd have to like, people would.
So tiny. How can you tag this?
You know.
Like, how can you do it? How can you tag?
Because look, you want to see something crazy? Each word, look, there's the A, B, C, D, E, F, G. You had to press numbers. See, 1, 2, 3. You had to press numbers to text.
It looks so wonky in the 1850s.
1850s. Hey, Hannah.
Like a zero's a square. It's supposed to be a circle.
You had to press. Does that?
That makes no sense.
You'd have to go 1, 1, 1, 1, 2, 2, 2, 2.
Why? That's not how you do it. Why do they mental the letters off?
Can you believe it was a? How would you take a picture with it? Show me how you do that. Do you think it would be a good picture?
Well, it's probably blurry.
It would be black.
Blurry.
It would be blurry.
Can you watch videos on here?
No, they didn't. We didn't even have. I don't even think we had. You couldn't watch any videos. No YouTube Kids.
Seriously?
Yeah, there was no FaceTime.
That was not cool at all. Like, who does that? Like, why do they make phones like this? It's kind of cool. It's so tiny.
How old do you think that phone is? Can you guess?
1980s.
1980s. Back when Dolly Parton was little.